Hey everybody, it's Peter here from Webair.com, and I wanted to show you a little bit about one of our cloud solutions. This is called ProtoCloud, which is an incredibly powerful, redundant, easy to use cloud system. When you first log into ProtoCloud, this is kind of what you see. This is the dashboard, and it shows you any activity that's been going on any of your cloud servers. On the left side, so you click that, and that's dashboard. That's what we're looking at. You click this, and it shows you the virtual servers that we actually have running. I have actually one that I deleted, and it's pending deletion right now. This shows you what hypervisors you're using. You don't really have to worry about this. We're in a couple of different hypervisors here. But again, that's something you're not going to have to worry about. Templates. When you create a virtual server, I mean, you have tons and tons of pre-made templates to easily set up your server. CentOS, Debian, really, any flavor you want of Linux, Fedora. Look at all these Windows. You can do up a Windows instance. All these different types of templates. Just you click a button and it builds the server for you. It's amazing. Okay, so let's go back to virtual servers, and let me show you one of these virtual servers. So when you click on the virtual server itself, it tells you how much memory you have, how many CPUs you're using, the size of your disk, how many backups you got going on, your speed, the IP addresses that you have in use. And it gives you a couple different options. You can reboot the server from here, turn it off. You can also SSH into it, just like a regular server if it's Linux. And then you have auto backups. You want to click that on, obviously. And then under tools, you have all these different options. So again, you have your power options. You can rebuild the server, edit the server, migrate a server, or delete a server. You have firewall, and you can manage your network. And within here as well, you can also restore up here. Here are your backup images, and you can manage your backups and restore them. So it's really quite a system. Your IP addresses are over here, and you can assign IP addresses to your server as you need more. You can buy more IPs and then just assign them to whatever server you have. Okay, so let's go to virtual servers. Okay, it deleted that other one. So let's create one. Watch how easy it is to create a virtual server. So we click that, and I'm going to pick CentOS 6.564, and I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to call this test server, and I'm just going to call it test server.webair.com. I'm going to leave all this as default. Okay, I will put in a temporary password. Okay, so once you got your password in, this is where you can easily select how much RAM you want. I'm just going to put 2048. You can type it in as well. I'm going to go with a dual core on this one, and CPU priority I'm going to put up at about, well, you could leave it or go with 2. I'm going to leave all this except for the disk size. I'm going to bring this up to, I don't need that much. Let's go 50. And let's go 50. And network is public. Okay, I'm going to bring the port speed up to 10 megabits per second. So you have a lot of control here, as you can see. Again, we're picking how much RAM is going into the machine. We're picking how much CPU. We're picking how much disk space we're going to use and what we want our port speed to be at max. So look at that. It's a beautiful thing. we want to enable our automated backup, we want to build virtual server, and we want to boot virtual server. Okay, so this virtual server is building right now, and it takes a couple of seconds, but if you click over here again in the dashboard, you will see test server is now building. So in a few minutes you'll have your new server that you can SSH into and install any kind of a control panel or software that you need to install. Thanks for watching this video. www.webair.com.